The person you're talking about?
Yes, them Bunting a winning seat.
No, not Bunting, the next person you're talking about. When him Skanks.
That's King Dan, man. King Dan, the general.
Yeah, him win back.
He never run for election.
Oh, he never run.
No, he's not a politician, but he's just like a Danning.
He's
like
a
a big
politician.
man.
Oh, he's not a politician. Oh.
He is a politician.
No, but he's
He
yeah,
don't
but
run. Them
not.
run. Them are the supervisor in the whole team of PNP. Them are a supervisor. Because when I tell me he say him help Rhoda to win Rhoda seat when him
Yes, the one.
So remember ask you know.
Yes.
I heard somebody come and tell me. Can you see as you know tell me say Labour to be a bad man, not true?
I don't know the part there, you know. But me know
somebody come over here and tell me.
Bad people on the Labour right side, you know. Whole bad people on the Labour right side. Whole good people.
Wait, no. Somebody come over here and tell me say there's more Garrison that belongs to PNP than Labour, right? Is that correct?
I don't think so.
No, can I go research myself?
I don't think
so. Listen to what I'm saying.
Hold on. When they come and tell me that, because me realize, you know, when they come on to PNP is perfect for you in a pinch.
Well,
PNP don't have no fault.
We can't name the Garrison them right now, you know. We can't name them.
Let me tell you something.
ANJU places like Garrison. Top Garrison.
No, I come from Towel. Lie your tail.
Hold on.
That the days are over. That the days are over.
Well, I know. I hear you say something a while ago, and I can't.
Hold on. Lord Jesus.
You want me to say me a bigger man for you? Hold on.
Pinch, if you not make me talk, come down.
Hold on.
Come down, because you never rang it. Come down.
You want to tell him something?
No. Look here.
No, man. Make him talk. Make him say him answer.
Hold on.
I'm saying my bigger man for me, so alright.
Hold on.
Me give that.
Hold on. ANJU place at top. And where else are Garrison?
Hold on. Let me finish up.
Hold on, no man. Where else are Garrison?
Gardner Garrison. Rima Garrison. Where again now? Up it's top side Gleaner there, so when they call up this again. Top side Gleaner come to the part top side Gleaner a Garrison. We part the black man run. We part black man run a Garrison.
Yeah. But remember ask you now.
Yes.
Which part in a PNP for Garrison now?
Lots of Garrison also.
No, tell me no, can you call out? Tell me no.
Rockport a Garrison. Pellaville a Garrison.
Where?
Alright, they're back in a Labour right side. South side a Garrison.
No. Go by PNP side, make me hear.
Alright.
Can you balance it so we understand?
Kirk a Garrison. Jungle a Garrison. Nannyville a Garrison. Backpush a Labour right Garrison.
Hold on. Jungle where Mark Golden win the other day?
A Garrison.
How we ask?
Jungle in him in a be a lion living at that.
Hold on no. So no bad man live down there, be a lion.
Be a lion, no jungle in him.
So no bad man live down there?
I be a lion down there.
May I ask you, sir? Yes or no?
What you mean bad people if everywhere in Jamaica, man?
No, me just ask you. Come now.
Of course bad people down there.
You see when me I try to say no Lato, when you come over and scrub, you know, when you come on to the reasoning, you have to be balanced. Because anyway, you have to be biased. Me not like it.
No, I'm not biased because I can't.
No. Because on both sides you have people where do road. You understand?
Of course.
And when we realize now, you are say one party buy vote and the next party not buy vote. Now that you tell me.
No, I didn't say that.
The two side buy vote?
Two of them buy a vote.
How will you say?
Labour right buy it more for Labour right have more money.
Can I say something?
Hold on. Alright. People, we just want to come here a lot of just balance for anything there. ANJU, you might something here.
Yes?
So remember asking now. So the low voters turn out now. So you tell me say I Labour right buy out the vote them?
Hold up, passa go on.
No, may I ask you because look here. If you want to get out ANJU, that means you're not dedicated PNP. Because if me decide say me want to get out the Prime Minister, where could I tap me for go vote?
I don't understand what you're saying.
No, may I ask you?
Me alone could get out of there.
No, man, come no, man. Remember, I no said Jamaica is a PMP country, you know. So if we want to get out ANJU, so why the PMP then never go vote? So is it Labour allegedly buy out the vote over there?
What would I say now?
May I ask you, come no, may I hear a reason? Come no, let's talk.
I wouldn't say Jamaica is a PNP country. It's mixed between Labour and
Look here.
both sides on its city.
No, but country.
I didn't say that.
I will say so.
We say Manchester PNP.
Are you an echo? All right, Lato, are you an echo, you know?
Am I echo?
Yeah.
No, man. Yeah, you know?
Go and come back, me I tell you. Go and come back. Jump out and come back. Are you an echo? You know, hear me an echo ask? Lato ask. All right, so people hear what? It's when they come on to politics. Me not think no vote should not buy. My opinion. That's just my opinion. Most PMP are echo. How I mean if you're an echo? That makes sense, Anthony?
Scrub, good night.
Well, go on.
Yeah, let me tell you, man. Who is in Manchester are PMP in place? Them run. You see Manchester? Manchester, especially Manchester Central. Belongs to PMP and it belongs to JLP. Let me tell you. You see when Charlton was done in Manchester, when Charlton win in a PMP ticket, Charlton says, boy, he'll leave the PMP the next time he run to JLP as some Manchester run. And listen, you see the man when he's King Gang and him control Manchester. And the reason why Mr. Bunting don't never win on a Manchester win road is because him and Mr. Black did have the ups and downs, the ups through some contract and stuff. I'll people to talk the truth. But if it wasn't that, we would have couldn't win Manchester because a blacks controlling Manchester and some part of Clarendon too. And anything black say, I saw it go. And that have to happen. So if a man don't know nothing about Manchester, you don't talk about Manchester, brother. When it comes to Garrison now, you have both PMP and JLP and Garrison. Waterhouse a dangerous Garrison. Jungle a dangerous Garrison. If you're a stranger, you can walk through that black thing and you know alive. And that me I try to show you. Them place are bad place. Maxwell like same thing again. Maxwell a part of PMP and a part down a lower a JLP. You have in Rima, same way. Tivoli, same way. So the both sides are dangerous constituency, man. So we not talk foolishness, don't bias. As well you say, level the play field. Rockford, same way.
Yeah, level the play field.
Level the play field and the two side by vote, brother. The two side by vote because most of the young boys them nowadays. They might make sure tell you say, oh, if you know, me no get the money, me no vote and
well, yeah, say, Mr.
Yeah.
I thought them are going
you're not Jamaican. No disrespect.
No,
you're not Jamaican.
But remember, look at me not voting.
Hold on. You see the man them, you see the young youth them where you see their roadside that drink then rum and boom and I rub up there. If you don't pay them, you now go vote. Even if you got a conference, you have to make sure you pay them first before they take the bus.
How you saying?
And you see that election we're on here, this last election, at the first election from 1972, me a vote and no for election. At this one of the young election when me don't know if a election or our. Because some things will really happen. Me if you wonder if them they would have really happen or can happen. You got a polling station and police come there and take you out of line. Run you out of the barrier. You
no, but never see
the
barrier. Me never hear them say Vincent
police van come and run you out. All them they go on, where them think they know huge as one, brother.
Hold on,
different type of things are going on here now.
I was talking to the man earlier, where I can remember when I was a youth growing up, and know about Tower Hill, as he was talking about Tower Hill earlier.
What me I say, I play field at all. Both have Garrison.
No, listen up. I remember And I used to see it as a youth, wherein lots of people. But last time I see it, since we leave a foreign and go back a yard, I see it in a Rockford, where you have people living at their house at Rockford, and they have to pay rent for them house when they live in a Rockford. They live in their house, and they have to pay rent fee to the bad man, them live there.
How you say?
Yes, living at them big, pretty nice house in the Garrison, and they have to pay rent for living at their own house.
How you say?
Yes, and that has since couple of years ago.
How you say?
Now, yes, I come on the news.
No, me as no, come remember say don't have country then sit there now, so we don't know.
In a back in the days, back in the 80s, people used to have to run out of them house when they come run out to Hill and them section, they run on them Cockburn Penny area. For a certain party,
so
you have
them
to
place
let
you
the
call no
big
our
pretty
liberal
house.
place.
Yes, a liberal area, yes.
You realize I was a me tell you say no balance no. So John Brown was PMP, so nobody have road left them place down there.
Me never hear that. You have that. Me never hear of that.
How you say?
Me never hear of that.
So alright, so for PMP Garrison them peaceful?
No. But when I talk about real people, make you have to come out of your house, let your big house and gone and run away. That used to happen.
Hey,
Run away.
no,